Hi guys, happy new year. Starting off today, I'm going to use this journal. I got this as a gift from one of my colleagues. It's जागरूक journal और इसके अंदर दो journals हैं, कुछ चाय के पैकेट्स हैं and I'll show you. I got this shopping list magnet. It's a fridge magnet. एक पेन है इसमें. They have 3 sets of chai: elaichi, masala, ginger. They are like pre-mixes. You just need to add water. तो ये हम try करते हैं, अभी try करते हैं. Why not? Then a keychain. It's I am Jagruk keychain. अच्छा है, like I can use it anywhere. And then we have the journal. Journals are, I think, pretty simple. You have a lot of things in here as well. You get these 3 trackers. I think one is a 12-month 12 book challenge. So basically I think I will be able to do it this year at least. Then this is a journaling streak, and this one is also a journaling streak. This is from January to June and this is from July to December. Then we have these 3. I don't like the threads on this, but I think some just cards that you can put anywhere. So थक गए होंगे, जल लीजिए. And why you need to take jal, इसके बारे में लिखा है इसके पीछे. Then don't break the streak, and then why, and take a 2-minute break, and why. So basically वो है. Then we have this mobile or laptop sticker which says being Jagruk, and I think I really like this one. इट्स अ स्लैम बुक. मैंने काफ़ी सालों से, मैंने बचपन में भी स्लैम बुक मेंटेन नहीं करी है. आई वॉज नॉट अ पर्सन हु हैड द स्लैम बुक, और मैं जाके नहीं भरवाती थी लोगों से कि मेरी स्लैम बुक भर दो भाई. सो आई थिंक नाउ दैट आई हैव ओनली फ्यू फ्रेंड्स लेफ्ट इन माई लाइफ, आई थिंक दिस विल बी यूजफुल बिकॉज अच्छा है ना, जगह नहीं भरेगी रैंडम लोगों से. इट वोंट बी स्पॉइल्ड बाय रैंडम नेम्स. Then we get some stickers. Then we have 2 sets of stickers. These are some basics. Take ye wo bookmark, something like that. And then we have a few coffees priority, gaming related, cartoons related stickers. And yeah, and finally we have the volume 1 and the volume 2 of the journal, which I'm really excited to use from today onwards. So this is volume 1 and it has the old texture like Pac-Man design, and then जैसे स्कूल में हमारे ऐसा नहीं होता था एक वो चिपकाने का, वैसा है. And for goals for 2025, why, what, and how you can do it. That's a really great way to write it. And one thing I really loved about it is इन्होंने सारे पेजेस पे आपको इनफ स्पेस दिया है कि आप अपना पूरा डे डिस्क्राइब करें, अपना मूड डिस्क्राइब करें. देन दिस पोर्शन इज डिफरेंट इन ऑल द पेजेस. जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा है डिस्क्राइब योर 2024 इन 5 to 6 लाइन्स. इसमें लिखा है व्हाट ड्राइव्स मी टू गेट अप ईच मॉर्निंग. एंड ऐसे करके हर पेज पे एक नई चीज़ है. लाइक आई ओपन दिस रैंडमली एंड इट सेज कलर द प्लेसेस इन इंडिया दैट यू वांट टू विजिट दिस ईयर. सो आई थिंक इट्स लाइक अ प्रिटी it's like one activity that you can do each day, and I think it's going to be fun for the next 365 days at least. And then you get, I think, some notes in the end, like review. And this one is from our favorite game, and everyone once in their life had played Mario. So this one is from that. And then we have the same pattern over here as well. Just one thing that I think habit tracker, we are only getting 4 habit trackers, that too in a monthly review thing. But I wanted a habit tracker in a page format. Like if it would have been daily habit tracker, it would be perfect. Like I can track that I have done this today. Let's see, or weekly, at least it will give me a weekly reflection. But I think monthly also won't hurt. So these were the journals. Then we have this Ludo and some what do we call this, dice, and we have a financial snake and ladder. Like you can see, you can if you go up the ladder, you are reaching the financial stability. And there is Dream 11, which will land you on Dream Shattered. So I think it's really good. Like shared OTP on a call, and then the snake bite you and bank account is empty. So they have put a lot of work in this. I think it is designed really, like, based on, I think, what their channel is. So yeah, this is really good. I think this is one of the best gift one can give to me. Like apart from books and stationery, I think this is part of stationery. So I'm in totally love with this, and I have been waiting for almost a month now to use this, because this was delivered to me around I think November 25th. So this was delivered to me back then, and I have been waiting to use this. Like when will the day arrive that I can use these things? So yeah, let me see which book I'm going to read this month, and then I'll keep you guys updated about it. So this was a bit what's in the box of the Jagruk journal. I will keep coming back with it. I don't want to keep multiple journals for like it's too hectic to write different things in a different journal every year. So I think I'm going to try this one this year, and let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching till here. That was it for what's in the box of the Jagruk journal by Team LLA. And I think they have curated a really good product this year. And if you want to buy it, I think they only launched a few pieces this year, so they have I think a few left. I think you can grab it before they completely sold out. And one thing I really like about them, I just watched a recent video of theirs that they declare how much money they are earning through it, and like that much transparency with the audience is like, it's impeccable. Like yeah, that is why I'm really excited to use this. Let's see how it goes. I will keep you guys informed about it, and I will be keep coming back every month to see what reflections we have about this and how are we doing basically. So thank you so much. Happy New Year, and bye bye. Comment, please comment if you want this, comment if you like this, comment if you want to see such impromptu videos, comment if you want me to try something else from this genre. Let me know. I will be willing to do so, because stationery is my favorite line. So just let me know, just comment, or if you don't have anything, just drop a I like the video comment. Anything will work, एंड अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एज वेल। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।